These days, everyone wants to save desktop space, and that's why we've developed 3 ways to mount your monitor. The C-clamp offers one of the most convenient methods to mount a monitor arm onto any desk. It also includes anti-scratch silicone pads that protects the desktop surface. Grommet mounting options available too. You can mount it anywhere on the desk. Monitor arms can also come with a freestanding base. It's similar to your existing monitor stand. It also has poles and arms for holding multiple displays. Measure the desk's thickness before choosing a C-clamp or grommet mount option. As you can see, there's additional specifications on the product image and the product description here. The top mounting feature makes assembly a breeze. This mount offers a low-profile base. It's perfect for standing desktop converters. Some desks will not allow you to attach a C-clamp properly to the desk. You can use a small block of wood to take up the space that will allow you to clamp properly to the desktop. Make sure you have at least 1 inch of space between the wall and the desk for a C-clamp mount. Some desks just won't work with a C-clamp. These include roll-top desks, credenzas, or writing desks. You can consider mounting the monitor arm through the existing cable management hole. The minimum required grommet hole is 0.4 inches in diameter. Some heavy-duty monitor mounts might require 2 of these holes. Also, you might need those 2 holes for those ultra-wide gaming monitors too. Mounting and finding the right location for your monitor arms will give you the most comfortable workspace. Hey, stop drilling. There's a better way for those antique desks. A freestanding base is compatible with any desk. And best of all, there's no permanent damage to the desks, and it's moved easily. You don't want to over-adjust the monitor arms. You want to keep everything safe. Keep the weight balanced in the freestanding base's safety area. Now it's your turn. Visit our storefront to see which monitor mounts fit your workspace. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to comment below. We'll get back to you right away.